It's getting windy, but we are going to Komachi-dori street. Yes. Okay, let's go. そうすごい students, lots of students. あっち
そう、人がいるから気をつけて。君が渡り
出たら買うよ。
いろんな使い方通ってるから。
意外と
So yeah, Kamakura is, as I said, a very historical place, but also very fun place for the street food. Yes. When I last came here, what did I have? Like some seafood donburi, rice bowl, and what else I ate? Some chocolate cake.
本部
Mostly snacks there here. なんだろうこれ seasonal dish あらたま I don't know, it is called あらたま Sometimes it is even like for Japanese people it is difficult to read how to read the kanjis. Yes. Many ways of reading. So 何これすごい plum pickled plum with some golden powder and silver powder. One pickled plum, the price is like more than $2. Do you wanna buy it? What's this? Kamakura sausage. I think they are closed, but すごいね。なんか German people. はい。Very clean here. I think. I think this place is very quite new. I think renovated they are. Some residential houses. Yeah, must be so expensive ね。すごい素敵。I love these houses. Nice atmosphere. This is the sausage place we just passed. They are now open here. I should go here. Interesting. Getting so hungry, guys. Green tea shop. I wanna eat green tea. I mean green tea something. なんか when it comes to historical places, I feel like green tea always or red beans paste. That's how Japanese people work ね。なんか very good, I think. Like combined culture, not only Japanese classic, buildings, but also some westernized buildings. なんかすごい beautiful. Banana shake. Very cute じゃないこのビルディング。 It's like a moving house, isn't it? Another moving house. Ohana. なんだろう seems like a Hawaiian aesthetic or massage. Oh my god, too many people.
他にまた携帯ボードが出てくるかも。
おびっくりした今。You scared me. なんか this kind of touristy place has this kind of street always and oh my god, so many people. Students are enjoying lunch. I think this is the lunch time, so green tea だ。Okay. Green tea ice cream, gelato actually. 美味しそう。プリン。美味しそう。大仏。
観光地はこれぐらい人がおった方がさ、嬉しくなるよね。
I wish I'm, I was taller. I'm too small, so I can just, blend into the children, I think. Japan Craft Museum Shop. Oh, they are using like a kimono clothing for some items. Such as some pouches here, wallet. Very cute, yeah. Well, it seems like this is Chinese. Yeah, read that. This is true, but this is like a socks shaped. Like when you are wearing kimono, you wear this kind of. And yes, I think these shoes are inspired by the socks. Yes. All right, let's go. It reminds me of the team lab, like the balloon sections. It was very hard to move and walk in the middle, like among the lots of balloons. And now so many people. This is a very famous crepe shop, Kokuriko no crepe. I've seen TV shows often broadcasting the crepe shop.
上いたよ。
すごいね。なんか can't believe it's Friday, I imagine like how many more people are coming tomorrow. This weekend is gonna be very, very high. Clouded for sure. Oh, many wooden items. Oh. So many people. Yes. What would you like to have? Like street food. What is your image of street food? I often have like a croque, deep fried croque, or some soft cream, or some cake. What should we eat? I think I've been to this restaurant before. This is like a weekday white baked fish, raw ones, Very, very fresh. It's very famous in Kamakura. Yes. This one. Yes, very tiny fish. Yes, I want to fix this flag for them. Yes. Shirasurong, we call it. If you come to Kamakura for the first time, you should try it. We got Melcy French. So many people. I'm glad that I have this microphone. Thank you so much, Namrak-san. I want to eat some mochi actually. 何これ？おにぎり。Grilled onigiri. It's interesting now. Oh, seafood restaurants. Oh, various kind of seafood. Vegetables. 美味しそう。
いや、さっき聞いてるじゃん。また。
This one. 食べたいこれ。Are you going to have some? No? 食べようかな。でもロングキュー is it? ここまで。Can I?
はい。これ食べた。
あ、でも結構並んでますね。結構並んでますね。ここまで並んでる。あと、それLet's continue. I gave up my favorite mochi shop. It's very colorfully decorated. The mochis are so very Instagrammable. But due to the long line, I gave up. We can find another yummy sweets shop. Right, now less people now. Yes, that's good. That's good. Oh, I think I have had this one too. This one is a rice cracker shop. They are baking the rice cooker. Rice cooker, rice cracker over here. Maruten, fish cake, ne? Always there is fish cake restaurant. I mean shop. In this kind of street food street. 7-Eleven also here. What shall we eat? What shall we eat? But my stomach is like now half because of the tightening up the obi, the belt kind of thing. But we'll see. いいね。Japanese sweets confectionery store. 美味しそうこれ。これ何か知ってます？ Can you do you know what it is? It is Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc is I think which country's food is it? It's like basically marrons, like chestnuts. And yes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 Mont Blancs you can eat. 美味しそう。美味しそう。あんぱん。いいね。Very seasonal 桜餅。美味しそう。 Wow, you can see many people over there. You can only see people's heads. And we are going to be one of them. いいね。なんか old style bookstore here. And the Zodi store. When you are wearing kimono or yukata, you wear this special zori. We call it zori. いいね。かわいいし。ミッフィー。I see ミッフィーzori. 何食べよう。The girl told me that hello, but I'm Japanese. ずんだ餅。はい。Okay, so I decided what I'm going to have. This is called saku and Kamakura Komachi Obaniki. Yeah, so it's like a pancake. There are many kinds of fillings here, like red beans, custard, matcha, green tea, chocolates. 何これ？桜白玉。桜 and mochi. Which one should I eat? どうしようかな。悩む。白玉桜餅。はい。はい。よいしょ。I ordered this one. It's I think only seasonal, only in spring. No, this one is ham actually. はい、これだ。I ordered this one. ありがとうございます。はい、ありがとうございます。なんか over there, I know the secret place. I don't know if it's like a very secret or not, but there are some bench. So you can you can have your street food on the bench. So let's eat. あ、ここにしよう。よいしょ。